guys, welcome back to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see one of the upcoming products in Goa. Now let's see which is the product. This is the product of Cremeux Mr. Crispy Baked Bagel Chips. Basically, this is Thai chili flavor and it has 40% less fat. It's baked and not fried and fresh and crispy. This is the front side of the packaging. Now let's see what they have given behind. Here they have given that, congrats, you have made a healthy choice. Our baked bagel chips are freshly baked, not fried. All goodness of bread and spiced with mild seasoning. Eat, crunch, repeat with guilt-free indulgence. We have packed love for you in every bite. And they do have two more flavors, that is sour cream onion and desi masala. If you want me to do review of these two chips, then please do comment below. This product is manufactured by Cremeux Bakery Private Limited, D3 Corlim Industrial Estate, Corlim, Goa 403110, and they have given phone number. Even they have mentioned their email ID. On the same side they have given the name of the product, that is Cremeux, love our secret ingredient. This must be their tagline, Mr. Crispy Baked Bagel Chips. Ingredients: refined wheat flour, sugar, yeast, edible vegetable oil, vegetable fat, salt, calcium propionate, sugar, maltodextrin, iodized salt, garlic, cornstarch, acidity regulator, spice, condiments, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, anti-caking agent, flavor enhanced, honey, sunflower, and antioxidant. It contains added flavor, natural and nature identical flavoring substance, allergen status, contain mixed solids and soya. They have even mentioned nutritional information per 100 gram product. Carbohydrates 70.35 gram, sugars 16.99 gram, protein 8.84 gram, fat 14.3 gram, energy 445.48. This product costed me rupees 10, and the best part about this product is that it's made in Goa. And secondly, it is pocket friendly. If you fall under the category of the people who doesn't want to eat too much oily things, then I think you should try this option. Now let's see how it looks from inside. This is how product look from inside. Now I'm going to pour these chips in this bowl. Now you will able to see it clearly. want to tell you exact taste, then taste wise it's quite good, and the flavors which they have mentioned on packaging, you can literally feel that when you are having this baked chips. So as per my opinion, if you want to try this product, then do give it a try, guys, and do let me know your thinking in the comment section below. If you are going to ask me whether I am going to repurchase this product again, then definitely I am going to repurchase this product again. It's not because it's the upcoming brand of Goa, but they do worth that, and it's just a starting point, and I think being a Goan, I should support this brand. So do give it a try to this product, guys, and do let me know your thinking in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Trendy Unboxing.